Dear human, artificial intelligence has made it possible to create fabulous and stunning images, MP3s, and videos. If you are interested and want to know how to create your own AI-generated videos, look no further. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to create them in seconds. Step 1. Go to runwaymo.com and sign up for a free account. You will find all the links in the video description. You have multiple options for which plan you will choose, but since this is a free guide, we will choose the free forever option, which will give you 125 credits, equal to 8 seconds of AI-generated videos. Step 2. After signing up, you will come to the dashboard. Now click on Gen 1 Video to Video and upload the files you would like to edit. For demonstration purposes, I will use their demo assets. In our free plan, we have the option to transform 4 seconds of one video into AI. But if you upgrade your plan, you can do up to 15 seconds of video. Step 3. After uploading your file, you can see your options on the right side for editing your video. The first option is an image. Here, you can upload an image and change the style of your video with it. You can simply upload it and click on Preview Style, so you can see how it would look without wasting your credits. The second option is to use Runway's recommended styles. Just click to select them, and you can again hit the Preview Style button to have an estimation of how it would look like. The last option is to generate a new style by using prompts. You can describe how you would like your video to look like. I will go with a Lego world. Now, in the settings below, you can determine the strength of your prompt, basically how much it will affect your picture. You can play with it and test it by hitting the Preview Styles button again without losing credits. Once you're done, you can select one of your preview styles and press the Generate Video button to receive your video. The video will now process. After the processing is done, you can watch the video or download it. If you liked that quick tutorial, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further quick step-by-step guides. Comment on what you want to see next. See you in the next video.